not try to fuck the air attendants. Thank you very much. Have a nice flight. Thank you, thank you.
I say Charlie lead the way again. Not too quick until we get past that restaurant.
Who wants to go second? Sarah, you want to go second? I'll go third.
Are you going
Yeah,
last?
let's go in that area.
Okay,
I'll go tail.
secure?
Are you going last? Or second?
I can go last. I'll go last, guys. You guys can go ahead.
So we're taking it slow for the first little bit, right? Oh, there's a car right there, man. Fuck.
Yeah, we forgot to watch.
We'll
Nice
take it
and
slow.
You can always stop at that rest stop we stopped at last time.
Okay. Rest stop, we're stopping, I guess.
All five is zoomed in just past your hood. It looks really sweet.
Okay.
Oh, wait, do you want to see your steering wheel, or what kind of?
Nah, it doesn't matter. Just see the road, but everything open up. I can't edit this video, so everyone's gonna hear us talking after.
That's fine.
I don't know.
I will live forever on
Thank you
YouTube.
for flying Chuckanut Airlines. This is your captain speaking. Taking it nice and slow at a good 45 kilometers an hour. Wait for that car to go by. On my
And
mark.
way to the camera.
Don't forget to brake on the boost start. Thank you. Today's in-flight meals will be gasoline or diesel, followed with a short dessert of burnt rubber.
Short dessert of burnt rubber.
An Audi behind us.
Audi. Audi. Bam.
If we pull over, there's an Audi right behind me, so he's gonna pass us. He might go slow, so we should probably leave as much room as we want, and then
He's
we
not
take
gonna go
priority.
slow.
Sounds good. Sounds good. I don't know what you just said, but it sounds good.
Never mind then.
You just gotta rip it before the Audi. Should we like rip it right now?
Never mind. I don't know if he's gonna go fast or slow, so if we pull over to leave room, he might be slow. But he's kind of on my tail, so it looks like he kind of wants to go fast, so I don't know.
We'll just pull over when we get there. Regardless.
Oh, we can go really slow and piss him off.
That's pretty much what we're doing now.
Are we not booking it, guys?
Let us pass this restaurant here. We don't want to get past all these cars going too fast or whatever.
Okay, okay.
One second, buddy. 1 second.
Alright, on my mark. 3, 2, 1.
Fail. What was that, Mr. Billion-dollar car? Oh, yeah, the Audi's going fast.
Yeah.
That's what he wanted.
Charlie, the smell of the gas in your car smells awesome, dude. I'm so high right now, it's not even funny.
like our gas fuels back there, Mr. Audi.
We got stuck behind a car again.
Holy shit, the weather is so nice.
The car smells like it's burning. Could be everyone else too.
Yeah, I think it's everyone.
Oncoming car. And that concludes our tour. No words can describe that, man. That was epic.
You gotta love RB, man.
If we could block off this road for a couple hours.
I know. If we could block this road off, that'd be
This
so.
is the whole Chuckanut drive is over. Well, we caught up to traffic. I know, but like, is it over right now? Though? Like, how long is left? That's a good question. I'm assuming we're just gonna follow these guys. We're not pulling over anymore.
You can probably shut it off.
It's up to you guys, man. I'm